Allow me to pose a question to you. Have you ever searched for something on Google? Do you have any idea what Google is? You may not be aware of the fact that you may make a lot of money on Google. In this video, I will show step by step how you can make $220 over and over again in only minutes. All you need to do is visit this brand new website and use the brand new Google method that I will teach you in this video. You can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day if you follow the procedures outlined in the video. Now, I know that some of you are traveling from all over the world, so please bear with me. Don't be worried. This opportunity is available to people all over the world, and they will pay you using a variety of various payment methods. These include PayPal, Payoneer, ATM, Skrill, and bank transfers, among other payment methods. Remember to stay tuned and watch through to the end of this video, because I will show you how to receive free bonus money when you sign up for a new account. And this is going to be a totally new website that I haven't seen anyone else talk about before. In addition, I will show how to configure the best Google settings. A Google trick that I will be teaching you will look something like this. The results of using this method are 3 times greater than those obtained by using other strategies. So be certain that you do not miss out on this particular trick that I will be showing in this video. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know, and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? The first thing that you need to do if you want to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars entirely via the usage of Google is to go to this website called shrinkme.io and sign up for an account there. Shrinkme.io is a URL shortener website that will pay you up to $220 for every 10,000 views you get. If you want to check to see if this website is legitimate and true, you can check the Open This Payment Option Proof tab on the upper side of the website, which you can get here. And you will be able to watch all of the real-time payments that they make to their users. You will be able to see that they do not miss any payments and that they pay using a variety of payment options. You will also be able to see how much money they have paid to their users in real time. There are only 3 simple steps you need to complete on this website in order to begin making some money. The first step is to create and sign up for your account, which is the next step. It is then necessary for you to begin shortening your links and sharing these links to other people. You will learn how to do this later on in the video, which I will demonstrate. Last but not least, you must earn your money in order to complete the process. There is a catch, however, and I ask that you pay close attention to this video, because this will only work if you follow the instructions exactly. That is something I will be teaching you. Simply hover your cursor over this top right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll notice this register button. Simply click on this link to sign up for a free account. No credit card required. After that, all you have to do is sign up for a whole new membership. Now, when you join up for a free account, you will receive a one-time bonus of $1. This is a welcome bonus for new members. After that, once you have earned $5, you can begin withdrawing your funds. With the use of my Google trick method, I'll show you exactly how you can start earning money right now, starting today. Payouts are made on a daily basis. This is precisely why I appreciate this site, because there are other websites where you can make money using the same strategy as you did on this one. However, they pay out every other week. This website will pay out every day, and they accept a wide variety of payment methods in total. You should be aware that if you are traveling from different nations throughout the world, you can receive your payment using this website. And once again, because their minimum payment is only $5, it becomes quite easy. Once you have earned $5, you can begin withdrawing your funds into any payment method of your choice, including your bank account. So let's take a look at how it works. The way that we will be using on this website is that we will make use of YouTube for our videos. And we'll find a video of a very specific type, and we'll be provided with a link to that particular video. Once we return to this website, we will paste the link into this bar, which we will shorten. As soon as you have shortened the URL length, you will share the shortened URL across multiple platforms. Then you'll earn money for each and every time someone clicks on your link, which will add up quickly. Now, allow me to show the various payment rates that you will get. In the event that people from Greenland click on your link, you will receive $22 for every 1,000 views you receive. If you can get people from the United States to click on your link, you will earn $10. If you can get people from other countries to click on your link, you will earn different types of money. That is why you want to combine the Google technique, since if individuals from Greenland click on your link, the highest money you can make per 1,000 views is $22, which is the maximum amount of money you can earn. And so I'll go over how to find the best video on YouTube right now in this video, since finding a bad video will not result in a lot of money if you want to make money with YouTube. I'll show you how to find the best video for your needs. In order to shorten the link, we'll then go to this website and do it ourselves. Following the creation of a shortened link, we'll proceed to Google and apply a very special trick to multiply your money and make a substantial amount of money using this strategy. I'm looking forward to showing you the full trick, and I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get back to the video now. We're going to go on to YouTube right now. These days, the best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about how to lose weight in the modern society. So many individuals are interested in finding out how to lose weight. As a result, the most popular videos will be those promoting weight loss. In order to find weight loss videos on YouTube, you'll first put in weight loss videos, then select this filter, and last select this week. In order to find the best performing video this week, we'll look at the most recent fresh content, which you can see here, followed by the most popular video, which you can find by just clicking on the video you'd want to see more of. Also on top of that, you'll see this, which is the link to the video. You'll click on it and then copy the URL. And right now, we're going to visit shrinkme.io, and then we're going to copy the link and paste it right here into this new tab. After that, all you have to do is click on this button after we've pasted the link. Once you click on the button, they'll provide you with a shortened link, which you can see above. So all you have to do is click on this and highlight them. And once again, you'll want to save this link for later use. For the time being, the only thing you can do is return to Google. So we're going to look for forums, specifically weight loss forums. And what you'll do is type in the keyword weight loss forum, and then hit search. When we use this method, we will discover a multitude of various forums where we can post the link. As a result, people who wish to lose weight are more likely to hang out and search for different forums, where they may participate in various discussions and learn about various weight loss strategies. So what you're going to do is sign up for one of these forums, such as this one, and start participating. As you can see, this is just one of many examples that I want to share with you. By simply searching for forums on Google, you can get hundreds of various options. Pay your attention all through this video, because I'll reveal the #1 strategy for getting people from Greenland to click on your link, and therefore increasing your earning potential. As you can see in this example, if you reach out to people from, say, Sweden, you will only need to earn $5. However, if you can find people from Greenland, you will be able to earn 4 times as much money. This is completely insane. Within seconds, I'll show exactly how to accomplish this. Let's get back to the discussion forum. Once you've arrived at the forum, most of the time you can just join up and register for free. For example, to register in this forum, simply click on the register button. It is necessary to fill out your information. I propose that you use a fake first and last name, as well as a username, before signing up for an account with the service. There are numerous places where you may repeat the same information. The more forums you can find, the more links you can share out there, and the more people are likely to click on your link. But once again, there is a significant issue. Because when you use this strategy, you have the potential to attract visitors from all over the world to your website. But how can we narrow our target and find more people from Greenland, more people from Ireland, and more people from the United States in order to generate more revenue? This is the secret strategy that I want to demonstrate to you. Whenever you conduct a different search on Google, you will click on this setting, which will be displayed. So I proceeded to the Options menu and found the Advanced Search option, which I then clicked on. This is where you'll see the regions. If you want to filter them by region, you may do so by selecting, for example, Greenland. By doing so, you can locate a large number of forums that are specific to Greenland. After that, you simply repeat the process again, and that's how you can attract a large number of people in Greenland to click on your link. However, once again, due to a lack of resources, the forum offered in Greenland is extremely limited. As a result, the second thing you may do is to do it in either Ireland or the United States, depending on your preference. You may always go back to Google for more information, and then just go back to the settings and select the desired region, then select the desired country. You can repeat the process as many times as you like, and you can discover many weight loss tutorials on YouTube to assist you. And once again, this is a 100% true statement. This is legal, it is ethical to use, and you will not be punished or penalized for doing so because you're not reposting or re-uploading other people's video content. Instead, you are sharing videos created by other individuals. This is one method of applying the Google trick, since you can become very focused and specialized in a particular location in order to earn more money at this rate right now. However, as previously said, there are a variety of various options for sharing this thing. For example, you can share this link on YouTube, or you can do it in the comment section of YouTube videos. Alternatively, you could do it on Facebook or any of the other social media platforms that you may have available to you. And hence, the greater the number of people who click on your link, the more money you stand to make. In other words, this is exactly how all of these people from all over the world make their living. This is something that people do on a daily basis. That's all there is to it. Before I go, to receive notifications from the channel, make sure you subscribe to it and click the notification bell. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the following videos.